Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about AutoCAD 3D modeling, surface lofted, how to create in AutoCAD background. So let's first of all we have apply the 3D model background. So let's see this. Now see this 3D modeling apply in this background. So here you can see that this is the 3D modeling command. Now I will go to show you surface lofted. This is surface lofted here. When how to do the surface lofted? So first of all we have create in sketch. So before apply view here and go to isometric plan. When I will enter the isometric plan and show you this is isometric plan, when first of all go to home page and I have create the circle. So here catch the circle and start this point and make the radius. So when I go to put down radius is 100 mm. Look at this is called dia of radius. So when I will give you the radius is 100 mm and go to enter. So right now we have created the circle here and this is 200 mm diameter straight circle. Then again same background I will choose from make the other polyline sketch. So they are asking the side polygon, enter number of side. So we have put down 8 side, then enter, and they asking the point here when start, then again press enter. So you this is create the polygon octagonal. When I will provide the distance is 35. So here look at this is the octagonal and this is circle. When then after I will go to select this whole diagram and go to move. So M enter is going to move and start. Okay, now select this and move. So if you note this, I will go to put M, enter, and apply the move command and start the point and go to up direction is 300. So their distance circle between octagonal is 300. So let's go put down 300. So here you can see that this circle and this polygon between 300 distance and show you the isometric view. So after all we have go to apply the surface lofting. So here the surface command and this is first one is lofted here. Enter the lofted. Just enter the lofted and now see this, enter the lofted and apply the circle here and also get apply the octagonal here. So now see this is the surface lofting we have create in this background for easy way and easy understand. So this is the surface lofting of 3D modeling AutoCAD. So today has completed the session.